How to install your Nexxt Home Smart Indoor Dual Lens PTZ Wi-Fi camera. Make sure you have all parts on hand. Note that the camera has two mounting options, surface or wall. Surface mounting. Place it on a table using the base with the 4 non-slip pads. Wall mounting, tools. You will need a drill, hammer, and Phillips screwdriver. Hold the bracket against the wall and mark the 2 hole positions with a pencil. Drill at the marks and insert the wall anchors. Tap them in until flush. Align the bracket and screw it firmly to the wall. Check that it is level. Align the bracket's anchoring piece with the camera's slot. Turn the locking knob clockwise until secure. Tilt the camera to the desired angle. Insert the USB-C cable into the rear of the camera and connect to power to start pairing. If the image appears upside down after wall mounting, open the Nexxt Home app and correct the orientation. All set! Your Smart Indoor Dual Lens PTZ Wi-Fi camera is now installed.